Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to the Aldi's app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a payment method. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Aldi's app. Next, click on more on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on my account, then click on payment methods. And then on this page here, you're going to see a variety of different payment methods. So in order to add a payment method, you need to add a payment method during your next purchase. So in order to do so, simply just go ahead and add an item to your cart. We'll add a few items and then click on cart on the bottom middle hand side. Then click on continue to checkout. Continue to checkout, and then towards the bottom, click on payment and billing address. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and add a new payment method. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a payment method to the Aldi's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.